Hi, I'm Scott Rixner. I'm a professor in the Computer Science Department here at Rice, and I am the Faculty Director of the MDS at Rice program. You will learn what it means to be a data scientist, and you will gain valuable skills that will serve you well no matter what your future holds. Rice is well known as a top engineering school and for a high-quality education. The MDS at Rice program combines our strength in engineering and other disciplines with our unparalleled approach to online education. I and others have put a lot of thought and care into this program. This is the second online degree program that I have been a part of developing, launching, and running. So we bring a wealth of experience to this endeavor in order to provide you with a degree program you can be proud of. At Rice, we believe in small class sizes, regular interaction among students and faculty, and to challenge you to go beyond your comfort zone. You will experience all that and more in this program. In our online programs, we combine the best things about the on-campus and online experience together in order to bring you a program we know you're going to love. You get that personal interaction from the comfort and convenience of your own home. Graduate education is about challenging you to think more deeply about the material, preparing you to go beyond the state of the art, and setting you up to innovate in your future career. We want you to be able not just to understand how something works, but also to be able to delve more deeply to understand why it works that way, which will lead you to exploring whether there are better approaches and solutions to the problems you face. This is what will set you apart as you emerge from the MDS at Rice program.